Look, bro, I gotta give a shout out to Sony real quick. For one, for sending me out the LinkBuds Fit over here. Look at these things over here. And then they also sent me a case for it too. But I also want to give a shout out to Sony for sending me out this camera over here. I'm actually using the CVE1. This is actually the camera that I've been wanting to use for a minute now for YouTube videos, and now here he is. So it's not mine. I don't get to keep it, but it's a loaner, and I'm trying to do some videos on this. So like, I'm trying to see what's good with this, and that's why I'm gonna keep doing this. But anyway, Sony LinkBuds Fit. I heard a decent amount of things about this, and I tried things like their WF-1000XM4s and other headphones like that, their other earbuds. But the LinkBuds Fit, this seems like some interesting earbuds I've been wanting to go ahead and try for a minute now. But y'all know what you gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, bro, so look, man, we is back here again at the legendary unboxing table. Yes, here he is. It's been a minute since we've been over here, huh? But like I said, we got the LinkBuds Fit, and I've been trying to hop into these for a grip now. I mean, look at these things, man. They just came out actually not even that long ago. If you look at these real quick, the LinkBuds Fit, they definitely got a different design than what Sony had with their other earbuds previously, like their WF-1000XM4s or whatever else. Now, if you look, they're actually on sale, so they're going for $180 and they run for $200 regularly, so cool. And like I was telling y'all, I'm recording on a new camera today, and I'm sure you can notice, especially with me zooming in and out all the time, like I actually record with this usually. So this is my Sony ZV-1, I think it is. Yeah, my Sony ZV-1. This is my regular camera right here. And like I told you, I'm recording with a new camera today. That's why I keep zooming in and out like this, because I'm like, it's just so cold, man, and the bokeh effect and everything is crazy. But this is the camera that I usually record with. So this is Sony ZV-1, and I got the ZV-E1 over here, which is a massive upgrade from this Sony ZV-1. So now I got to get this camera. But like I said, unfortunately, it is not mine. It's still Sony's. They could only give me a loaner, but at the same time, no, this thing is so clean, and I love doing videos with this thing so far. Anyway, we talking about this over here. So we got the Sony LinkBuds Fit. On the left side, we don't got nothing. On the right side, we just got some regular info here that we don't really care about. On the back, we just got wireless noise canceling stereo headsets. So yes, we do got noise canceling on here. And then we got the black color. And then if we look at the top, you can see that we got some other features over here, like we got made for iPhone and iPad and whatever else like that. We got Spotify Tap, we got Alexa built in, and then we got Google. As you can see, we also got some more features. We have 360 reality sound. We have high-res audio. We also got 5.5 hours plus 15.5 hours of battery life. So that's with the case and the earbuds. And then we got active noise canceling. So cool. All right. So we got this eco-friendly packaging that Sony been using for a minute now. So let's just go and bust this out right there. As you can see right here, we got LinkBuds. So let's go ahead and bust into this. So how do we do that? We just, oh, it's okay. Okay, I see here. All right. And there we go. We got the, oh, snap. The case is decent, bro. The case is definitely decent. It's a little thick. I ain't gonna lie, but okay. All right, I see you, Sony. I can tell you right now, off rip, this is definitely gonna scratch a lot. So yeah, this like plastic material over here is scaring me already. But as you can see right here, we got the Sony logo, and it's just, I don't know, man. The case is just a little too thick for me, man. That's just me. I like a little meat in my bones, bro, but not that much meat. That's kind of crazy. Now, let me stop before I get canceled. Already though, you can see that this thing is collecting massive fingerprints. So that's also gonna be another problem with this. But if we go and open this up, you can see right here that we got the earbuds. So let's go and take that off. And then as you can see, these are the Sony LinkBuds S. So if I go and zoom in right there, as you can see, it looks pretty decent. It looks small. We got the whole ear wing and everything. So, I mean, that's cool. You got the Sony logo, and then you got the left and the right with some charger connectors. But, I mean, it looks decent if we go and close that up right there. And then we got an LED indicator to go and tell us to charge up on here. And also, if we flip to the back of the case, as you can see, we have a parent button, and then we have our USB-C port. Looking in the rest of the box, we have a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is a little bit weird because we usually have Type-C to Type-C, but all right. We also got our user manuals and stuff like that, but you know we do with that. We throw it to the side, as always. And then last up, we just got our ear tips. So we got SS, we got S, and then we got L. Now, Sony, with these little headphones, they usually be using these headphones Connect app. So I gotta see where is it at. I ain't use this in the grip, no. Oh, I forgot. Sony changed their name. Dumb as hell. So it's Sound Connect here. So if I go and tap on that and tap on agree, all right, bet. There we go. So pairing these up for the first time, I went ahead and pressed and hold onto this pair button here in the back, and then it went ahead and just popped up right there. So we got LinkBuds Connect, or sorry, LinkBuds Fit. So let's click on select. All right, so now it's searching. Come on, camera, what are you doing? And all right, cool, LinkBuds Fit. So let's go ahead and click on that, and then let's see here, next. And looking through the app, you can see we got a few different features over here. So we got noise canceling, we got ambient sound, and then you can just turn it off. We got equalizer, we got adaptive sound control. We can connect up to 2 devices simultaneously, and then we just got my music that I was playing. So shout out to Schoolboy Q. And then we got device settings over here. So this is gonna be speak to chat, and we got some background music effects. We got the equalizer again, and then we just got a bunch of different features that doesn't really matter too much. But all right, now for the most important part, let's go ahead and try out these headphones. By the way, shout out to the Carhartt Mafia, man. We out here deep as hell, you heard me? And also, I know some of y'all already know that I do got this big ass camera over here. So this is actually the Pocket Cinema over here by Blackmagic. And I want to go ahead and use this too. You just gotta give me a minute on this. But we ain't even unbox this thing, so let's go and unbox it real quick. I actually got the case cover here for the LinkBuds Fist. So let's go ahead and open that up and see what's to this. And it's definitely gonna need that case because I already showed you that. This thing get a lot of fingerprints and I know it's gonna scratch, bro. So, all right. It looks like a two-piece thing over here. So if I go and take that off, all right, cool. And oh, snap. We actually got this little ring too to it. Okay, I'll fuck with that. Hold up, let me zoom in on this real quick. So check this out right here. Okay, that's pretty decent. I see y'all, Sony. So I mean, it looks decent. You got access to your charger port, but you don't got access over here to the pairing button. So if you want to go ahead and pair it, you gotta go ahead and take the case off. But we could just go ahead and lift it up easy just like that, and boom. That's the case. So let's get to the important part of this, which is trying this out. So I'm gonna go and throw this in my ear. I'm not even gonna switch out the tips or anything. And let's just go ahead and see. I don't think I'm gonna need to go ahead and switch it out. It don't seem like it. All right, so this is it in my ear. How y'all feeling about this? So let's go and find a song that we're gonna go play. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be Kendrick Lamar because that's what I was listening to on the way here. Should I start at 100% volume? I don't know about that. Let's do half volume and let's go from there. So what I'm gonna go and play is, let's go to, let's see, Kendrick Lamar. I'm gonna play his damn album right here. So this was a bop, man. Kendrick snapped on this album for sure, okay? I'm listening right now. The song just started though, so you gotta give me a minute on this. Okay. The bass seems decent. It's not overpowering or nothing like that. But you know what? This is one of those rare times where I feel like I do like the well-balanced bass and everything up in this. It sounds good. All right, bro. Hold on. I'm going to take off the noise canceling. I'm going to just see what it sounds like right here. And I'm going to turn up the volume on 150 or at max on my phone. Damn. I don't even know if I needed EQ. I don't know why I felt like I was going to be disappointed with this. But this actually sounds better than I thought. Like, this is crazy, man. Like, damn, Sony might actually cook right here. I actually fuck with these LinkBuds Fit right here, okay? I fuck with these LinkBuds Fit. They go crazy. All right, I'm getting way too carried away with me. You give a man a nice camera with a lens, he don't even know how to act. But let's go ahead and try it then. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on again, and I'm going to go and turn on bass boost to see what that sounds like. And, okay. I turned on the bass boost. I don't really notice that much of a difference. Honestly, I could do without the EQ. Now, let's see. It do have touch controls, right? Let's try it. And it doesn't seem like it does. I don't feel any type of touch control. Let me make sure it do or not. Okay, I was wrong. So it do got touch control. So I was pressing on the wrong area. I'm trying to figure out where I'm supposed to press, but okay. It do got touch controls, cool. But damn, so this is one of the better sounding earbuds where I heard like balanced bass up out here. It actually sound good, bro. Sony actually snapped for real. I feel it. And like, I'm shaking it around. It ain't coming out, so maybe I might have to bring it to the gym. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm convinced. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This ain't even me over exaggerating. This ain't cause Sony sent this to me for free. Cause you know I don't give a fuck. I would say it how it is. And like, these sound good, man. These I can't even hold y'all. Now, the only thing I'm worried about is this the cheap looking plastic where I feel like it's gonna scratch easy, especially with the case. This, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm just keeping it 100 with you. This just looks like some cheap ass shit to me. Like, just this whole glossy look, I don't like it. But you know what? I gave Sony a lot of shit for some of their products, like their speaker. I forgot what it was, but I didn't like it. And like, what I'm listening with this right here, I like this. So honestly, I'm gonna have to give this so far the Jennings stamp of approval for 200 bucks. I do like these earbuds a lot. And I use the Galaxy Buds Pro 2, I think it is, something like that. But they definitely snap with the LinkBuds Fit right here. I gotta say, I don't know about the battery life and nothing like that. This is just my first impressions, but Sony did they shit with this for real. And that's all I gotta say for that. So I hope y'all did enjoy this, man. Thank you for watching, and let me know what y'all think about this. But all right, man, I'm gonna go get up out of here. So thanks for watching. Like this video, go get this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Tech on Instagram and X at Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. But with that being said, man, y'all be smooth. I'll go ahead and update y'all a month from now how I feel about these Sony LinkBuds Fit, because so far I do like them, man, and I think they're gonna go to the gym with me. But the only thing is, I don't usually wear earbuds at the gym, but the only reason I'm gonna use is just cause for the video. So we'll try it out. But anyway, man, you be smooth. I'm gonna get up with you later. Peace out.